Hello my dear children, welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 6 whose title is Food We Need. So children, let's begin with the class. Now tell me children, why do we need food? We need food to get energy to do our daily works. Every living organism needs food to survive and to live. Now, where do we get food from? There are two main sources of food. These are plants and animals. Now children, let's learn about the types of food that we get from plant and the types of food that we get from animals. Let's begin with plants. Number 1 is vegetables. Children, the different kind of vegetables that we eat, we get it from plants. Next is fruits. The different kinds of fruits like apple, mango, banana, everything we get from plants. Next is cereals. Cereals gives us carbohydrate, and maximum of the cereals like rice, wheat, maize, everything we get from plants. Next is pulses. Usually pulses are called dals. These pulses like green gram, kidney beans, we get it from plants. Now let's learn about the types of food that we get from animals. These are egg, meat, milk, honey. These are the kind of food that we get from animals. And let's learn in details about these food items. Let's begin with the food items which we get from plants. Number 1 is cereals. Children, I have already told you that cereals are the food materials that gives us energy. The maximum of the energy that we get is from cereals. These are called staple food because we eat in maximum amount. So, cereals are starchy food. Now children, what do you mean by starchy food? Starchy means the presence of starch, that is stickiness. Any food item which contains stickiness, that is known as starchy food. That means it contains carbohydrates. So they are called cereals. Next is pulses. Pulses usually are known as dals. They contain protein. Proteins help us to build our muscles. For example, green gram, peas, lentils, etc. Next, fruits and vegetables. Children, fruits and vegetables we get from plants, and they are the main source of vitamins and minerals. These are called protective foods. Do you know why fruits and vegetables are called protective foods? Yes, vegetables and fruits both protect us from different kind of diseases. The vitamins present inside the food materials like vegetables and fruits help us to protect from different kind of diseases. For example, the vegetables are potato, carrot, beetroot, etc. And the examples of fruits are apple, mango, banana. Now children, when we know about the food items that we get from plants, let's learn about the food items that we get from animals. So we get a variety of food from animals. Number 1 is milk. We get milk from cow, buffalo, etc. Next is we get egg. We get egg from hen, duck, etc. Next is meat. We get meat from goat, lamb, etc. Next, honey. We get honey from honey bees. Now children, these are all either insects or animals. So all these food items we receive from animals. Now, there are a lot of variety of foods that we can make from milk. These are curd, cheese, butter, ghee, etc. All these food materials can be made from milk. So, these food items are also obtained from animal sources. Now, let's learn about the proper eating habits and eating time. Children, there are 4 proper meals that we take in a day. They have certain names. Let's learn about them. Number 1 is breakfast. Number 2 is lunch. Number 3 is evening snack. And number 4 is dinner. These are the 4 proper meals that we must take in a day. Now, what are the timings of these meals? Let's find out. Number 1 is breakfast. When do we have our breakfast? We have our breakfast in the morning. Always maintain the proper time of having the breakfast. If it is 8 a.m. in the morning, then maintain this time every day. It's very important and healthy for our body. We can have a light breakfast in the morning like bread, milk, cornflakes, etc. Next, lunch. When do we have our lunch, children? We have our lunch in the afternoon. In the afternoon, when we have our lunch, we can have rice, dal, vegetable, chicken, paneer, anything that we wish to have, which is in a good quantity. That is helpful for our health. Next, evening snacks. Children, always have a light evening snack which is less oily in nature. Next, dinner. We can have dinner at night. So what do we have in dinner, children? We have rotis, chapatis, or sometimes pulses and rice also. Always maintain the proper time of having dinner, lunch, breakfast and evening snack. Never skip the breakfast. Now children, let's learn about some healthy eating habits. Number 1 is eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Children, always remember to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Never eat already cut fruits and vegetables. You may fall sick. Next, avoid uncovered food. Never eat uncovered food items. Children, those food items which are uncovered, flies and different kinds of insect sit over those uncovered food items. They carry some diseases with them. So if you eat those uncovered food materials, you can fall sick. Next, drink plenty of water. Please remember to drink plenty of water, not only when you are thirsty, but also target 1 bottle to finish it every day. Next, eat slowly and chew properly. Children, always eat very slowly. Overeating may cause danger to your health. So always eat slowly and eat optimum amount of food material and always chew the food properly. Next, drink 2 glasses of milk daily. Children, always remember milk has protein, so it helps in muscle building. Always remember to drink 2 glasses of milk every day. So children, I hope these eating habits are clear to all of you all. So children, with this we come to the end of this chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.